Hello dear students, welcome once again to online video lectures, Standard 7th English Medium. We are going to start unit number 5, which has the title Health and Nutrition. In this unit we are going to talk about the health, the nutrition, how you can develop your health, how can you take nutritious food which is good for your health, how can you stay away from the diseases, what type of foods you should eat, which foods are good for your health and what kind of foods are bad for your health. We'll also see what is a balanced diet. We'll also see what are calories and some other topics are also there to be discussed upon. We'll see activity number 1. Here it is a poem which has the title Food Funda. This is a very comic poem which is written by Rini Chaudhary. You can see it here. Let us see what is given here in the poetry and we'll discuss the exact comprehension of it. Let us read it once again so that we can find what is given here. What is food if not balanced and good? As the doctors say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So does Amul say, Amul doodh pita hai India. Then keep away your pizza and be happy with rajma and dosa. So it's a very funny poem. Rini Chaudhary has tried to use very good rhythmic words, the rhyming words of food, good, say away, then pizza and dosa. These type of words create a rhythmic effect in the poetry. It is very enjoying to read, but our motto is to understand what is the message which is being given by the poet. So in the first two lines, it is said that what is food if not balanced and good? So, dear students, we all know that when we are eating food, it gives us energy after proper digestion. To get proper amount of energy, proper nutrition, our food should be having balanced amount of nutritions. So here, what is food if not balanced and good? It says that we must take such food which has balanced amount of nutritions and it should be fresh and good for our health. We have heard about a very old saying that are always said by the doctors that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. It means when you are eating one apple every day, you will stay away with many types of small diseases. So it is advised by all the dietitians, the doctors, also by our teachers and parents to have one apple every day so that you can stay away from small diseases, the diseases which you get during the change of the seasons, during the change of the climates. So why does it is said that you should have an apple every day? It means that we get a balanced nutrition from an apple. So one apple every day will fulfill all the requirements of the nutritions and you will stay healthy. We should also have a glass of milk every day, especially during the time when you are going to bed. Just before going to bed, you should have a glass full of milk. It will improve your health. So Amul says, Amul doodh pita hai India. It means that Amul doodh, the milk which is being manufactured and sold by Amul, it is filled with all type of nutritions and it is a balanced food. We all know that milk is a complete food. It has all the nutritions, all the vitamins except vitamin C. So if you want to have complete food, milk is the best option. But at the same time, you should stay away from the fast foods, the processed food, the packed food which you get in the market. Those foods are very bad for your health. If you want to stay healthy, if you want to enjoy good health and you want to have a complete balanced nutrition, you should always prefer the food which is cooked at home, which is available in our house, which is cooked by your mother and the parents. You should have such type of foods. Eating processed food and packed food will always make your health to ruin. They may lead you to many diseases. You may fall sick. We have heard many cases that people have lost their health due to the processed food. So you should stay away from the processed food like pizza, burgers and other processed foods, and you should always be with the side of the food which are available in our houses. One story is given here that Smith is very fond of pizzas, burger and puffs and suffers from stomach ache. His mother often advises him to eat homemade food like rotis, parathas, green sabjis and dal, but he doesn't like this food. So he has to go to a doctor. So we have to write a dialogue between the doctor and Smith advising about maintaining good food habit and taking proper care of his health. Your group can even enact this situation. Now we have given a situation. There is a boy, his name is Smith, and he's very fond of pizzas, burgers, puffs, and due to this processed food, he has a stomach ache. When he visits doctor along with his mother, the doctor advises to stay away from the processed food, and his mother also advises him to eat homemade food like rotis, parathas, the green vegetables, pulses, etc. These foods will make you feel better. So he has to go to a doctor. Now we have to write a dialogue between a doctor and Smith. This will be the homework for you all students for today. So write a dialogue between the Smith and the doctor. Whatever negotiations they had, you will have to write it and you have to click it and send on this number. So dear students, that's all for today. In the activity number 1, we came to know about the food. The food which is consumed should be balanced and it should be good. As the doctors say that an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and Amul says that Amul doodh pita hai India. And also it is advised by the author that we should stay away from the processed food like pizza, and we should stay with happy foods like rajma and dosa. So dear students, you also should follow this thing. You should also have balanced food, nutrition, good food, nutrition rich food, and you should stay away from the processed foods. Have an apple every day and drink a glass full of water, milk every day. This will definitely improve your health. It will provide you all the nutrition which are required at this stage, and you can develop your health. So that's all for now. All the best. Write the dialogues in the notebook and click a picture and send it on my number. Thank you for today.